I'm excited to be here today as part of the Future Focus Amazing Makers event with Unlocking Potential. My name's Debbie, I'm the Product Director at Finisterre. I've been here today talking about the 15-year journey that Finisterre has been on, some of our highs and some of our lows, some of our challenges, some of our successes, growing the team, growing the supply chain, and really that journey we've been on. Stay passionate to what you're doing, make sure that you love what you do, because you're going to get bored of it otherwise. And it's all about the people. So get the support you need, know the people you're making with, make meaningful relationships, whether you're making product, clothes, whatever it is, it's actually essentially all about the people and the relationships.
Hi, I'm Bawn and I own and run Gorgeous Yarns. I'm delighted to be asked to come and talk to a group of such inspiring people about my business, how it started, where I get my inspiration and what plans I have for the future. It's going to be a really exciting and interesting day. I've been involved with Unlocking Potential and Future Focus as a student, if you like, taking part in their labs and workshops. They've been hugely helpful to me in developing my business, understanding the strengths of my business, my USP, my customers, and also helping me work out what my goals for the future are for Gorgeous Yarns. And certainly without doing the workshops I wouldn't be in such a positive place as I am now. I would thoroughly recommend this programme to anybody who has a creative business. It's been such a positive thing for me.